Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a quick install video of this thing here. What is this thing? It's a seat gap filler. So it comes in many different shapes, or I shouldn't say shapes, but different styles. They have carbon fiber, they've got some fake leather, and they've also got this cotton type. I went with this style. This is a Initial D animation kind of copy, I guess. I don't know what you want to call it, but anyways. So what it says here is it says Fujiwara Tofuya, so that's the guy's name, and it says tofu shop. So anyways, yeah, it's pretty straightforward on the install, and the reason why I picked this up is because anytime I go to work, I tend to have a issue whenever I had to pull out my cards. It would tend to fall in here, and it gets annoying. Like I would spend a few minutes to find it. Find my card. Sometimes it takes up to like 10 minutes to find the card under here, especially in the dark. So that's why I figured I'd pick something up to just fill up the gap. I got this for about $5. It's a bit harder now to find these things because I realized that the shipping cost and the shipping time for a lot of things that come from international places, it's costing a lot more, or at least for the United States, at least from what I noticed. And so if you guys are looking for this, just shop around. Like I said, I don't provide any links. I want you guys to find the best deal, and whatever I provide you with doesn't necessarily give you the best price anymore, although at the time when I purchased it probably was the best price. But another thing too, I wanted to say thank you to anyone who's recently subscribed. I realized I got a couple new subscribers, so thank you for joining. So anyways, let's just get into the install part. So it's very quick and easy. You're just stringing your seatbelt buckle through here, and you're just going to shove it down, and then the cushion part, you're just going to shove it into the gap. It takes a little force, but it's not crazy difficult. It's just a piece of cotton, and there you go. So it's a very straightforward, easy install. And now I don't have to deal with having stuff fall into the gap. So it's like a paper, as you see, can't get into the gap now, unless I physically shove it down there, which I would not be doing. And if anything, it'll probably roll this way. And if it rolls this way, then it will probably land on my floor mat. So it makes things a little more easier to find. It came in a pair. So like I said, I got it for $5 for both of them. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. If you guys are looking into something like this, I recommend getting it. Like I said, there's many different designs, so you can pick what's best for you. And they're pretty inexpensive, at least when I got it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, please leave it down below, and I'll answer it as soon as I can. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.